Okay, welcome guys, part 3 of this tutorial series. So in the previous video we have discussed how to insert the values in the previously created table. Now we are going to perform more operations on that created table in the command line and also in the IDLE. Okay, so what is going to be the next? Okay, so if we go to our previously created table, I want a particular column from this table and in the uppercase. I want this table and this is string, and obviously that could be the string that could be in the uppercase or the lowercase. So I want this column and last name column in the uppercase. So how can I do this? Let's check. I just write here select keyword. I use here the upper and the column name, last name. Let's see, it is last one. Okay, last name from the table students. Okay, so now you can see here and the table names, they are all in the uppercase. What if I made here a little bit gap and then okay, so this name that is showing here the upper, but this is not permanent change, this is the temporary change. You can this will not look like this. This will, if you want to see the actual form, you can check it is not, it is not changed till yet. If I just select the last name student column here, you can see here. So all the changes you are making here are not permanent, they are just temporary, just for your data manipulation, just for the time you are doing some data set manipulation in your data set database. Okay, moving on further. So if I again go to my previously created table, here you can see in the department column there are the duplicate fields, biomedical and biomedical. There are two biomedical fields. So what if I don't want these repeated values? So for reducing the repeated values, I just write select unique keyword. I just use the unique keyword. Not unique, I use the distinct keyword from the table students. Distinct, and then I didn't mention your department. Okay, so now you can see here there is only one biomedical engineer department, not there are present the two departments. But in the actual table, if you see here, there are two biomedical engineering departments. Same thing you can do in the first name column. You can remove once a year, because here the first name is repeating 2 times, so you can remove it here. Okay, moving on. Okay, so I am just taking this column again. By selecting this column, I just want not this whole string. I just want some starting few letters from this string. So how can I do this? Okay, from this department column, I just want from these string I just want the first 3 letters, so that I just suppose I am smart enough, I can from the first 3 letters I can understand what is the department, what is that particular department. So just select substring and then the column name, that is the department, and I just want 1 to 5 characters, and the 5 characters I am smart enough, from the 5 characters I can understand the department. Just close the bracket, and from the table students. Okay, so now you can see here only there are the 5 selected, the 5 letters biomedical, and you can easily, if you have seen the original table, so now you can easily identify what are these entries. Okay, now if I want to find the position of a particular letter in this column, so how can I do this? I just select and use the keyword. So what are these are all called the queries here, and this is the whole query. Then I use select, substring, and then department name and from students. This whole is called the query, and this particular is a word is the keyword substring, and now I am using another new keyword, that is in string keyword. And from which column I am using from the department column. And here I want to find the position of let's suppose B. another keyword where. I use where. Here we use where we are going to put any kind of condition. So I am finding the position of letter O, and the letter O is, you can see it is only present in the biomedical and computer. So I want to find the position of letter O in the row where the department is biomedical engineer. So after I declare the table name, and in the where I will declare that condition. Where condition, how can I declare the condition? Department name is equal to biomedical engineer. Let's mark as underscore engineer. Wait a second, here it is giving the error from students in star. Okay, if I go to my original table here, so these are the student ID. So it is, I don't know why it is giving the error in suggesting the biomedical engineering here. I just use the student ID here. At the student ID 2, I want the position of the letter O in the biomedical engineering department. So again I am going to my code where student ID is equal to 2. So now you can see the position of the letter here. If you are familiar with the other Python programming language, so there is the concept of indexing. So in this can also reflect from that concept. So but in the SQL language, index starts from 1, 2 and 3, not from the 0. But in the Python programming, if you are familiar with the Python programming, so in the Python programming, index starts from 0 index. So if in the SQL, as you know, index starts from T1. So if you count from here, it is 1, 2 and 3, and the third index O is present in the biomedical department at the second row. So it is showing here. Okay, moving on. What we have next? Okay, if I add another entry into my column, inside into student value 6 and first name and then last name and then salary and then here in the department I am making some white spaces in the right side, and then I am writing here electronics department. Okay, I left the bracket here. Okay, so if I again see my whole table, so here I have added another entry and I made some white spaces at the right hand side. Similarly, I made another entry here. I am to make another entry here, and this time I am not making the spaces at the right side. I am making the space. Yes, I am making the spaces at the right side, and previously I made the spaces at the left hand side. Okay, it is saying that 6 is already added, and so I make it 7 and I just write here now you can see here the 7 entries, and in the last 2 entries there is the left white spaces I left here, and in the right white spaces. So what if I want to remove these white spaces? I just use the keyword rt rim from the column department from table student. So I didn't mention here the raw number. So the raw number for this is 6. I just put here the condition where okay. Now at the 6th column you can see I have removed the left white spaces. Okay, so this is how this can be happen like this. And if if you want to do this. So here you can, if you want to do it in only in the particular column, so you can declare the condition. So that's how you can remove the white spaces in the SQL. Previously we have discussed here the way of removing the duplicated value. So what if we can also do this by using another keyword, unique. Let me check it happens or not. So you can see that using the unique keyword, unique is not the keyword here for doing that kind of thing. So I was just checking. Oh, it is not the keyword here. Okay, now I am going to show here the length of any particular keyword, any particular row entry. So just select and also select department from students where student ID is equal to for example 2, and I want to calculate here the length of the characters. So I use here the keyword length. Okay, so at the second entry, I don't know what is the second entry. There are 19 keywords, 19 characters in that. And what is the second character? Biomedical engineer. So there are 19 in that second entry. Okay, that's it for this video. We will meet in the forthcoming video.